Alright guys, it's time to do the cooking for tonight's dinner. We were out earlier today, did a little bit of shopping, and we're going to cook it up for you tonight. And what is on the menu is pork in sauteed onion. I'm going to start prepare for the dinner, and what we'll do, what I'll do sometimes, and I like it, I pre-boil the potatoes so they are almost done. So let's go and clean these things and have them boiled. And we cool them off and peel them, and then we fry them for the last few minutes until they're fully cooked, and put a little Spanish paprika on and a few other things. So let's just rinse these things. So that's it. It's going to cook for about 30 minutes, and so it's almost done. And then we take it off, pour the water off, let it cool down, and put it in the fridge. And then we're going to peel it and chop it up a little bit, and then fry it for the last few minutes. What we got here is about 1 kilo of pork, a little bit more than a kilo, so it's about 2.5 pounds, I would say. Good for 4 to 6 people. And we are going to cook that until this thing is so tender it just falls apart. When we go to the market, we make sure that we clean the pork really good. Alright, so also what we do here, we don't like to eat the fat, so we just cut all the fat out of the pork, and it makes it pure meat with no fat at all. Alright, so we are, for our pork, we're using white pepper, ground white pepper. There you go. And then mix it up. What do you have there? A little salt. And just a little black pepper, not a whole lot. Salt. The pork we are making requires a little bit of onion, so Janice is slicing the onion right now. We're gonna fry them up a little bit. This is the Swedish chef in a Filipino costume. This is not really a Swedish recipe, but I'm Swedish, so this is the Swedish chef, but not the Muppet Show, okay? So we're going to fry these little pork until they are golden brown. Also what we're making, and I earlier today cooked the potatoes, and what we're doing is they've been pulled off, they've been put in the refrigerator, peeling a little bit of them, and then we're going to fry them up with a little bit of Spanish pepper, paprika, and make them golden brown as well. So the pork is starting to get golden brown, and that's about the time you take it off, and we're going to transfer it over in here. And what I'll normally do, I put a little bit of water in there to cook off so you get a little bit of that flavor. All right, that's good. and then we'll move and transfer them in here. Alright guys, and we want to spice this up just a tad with some, what do you call this? They're like hot chili, red chili, hot pepper. And we're going to spice this up a little bit. So what I do normally, and these are dried, so they're really dry. So what I do, I just cut this in here, and it gets it really nice. Alright, so now we're just waiting for the pork to cook. We're pretty much ready here with the salad. Pork needs to cook, and we're also going to fry up the potatoes here in a little bit. Oh, wow, that salad looks really nice. It looks good.
Cucumber in it.
Put some cucumber on top of it. Alright, well, that's a salad for how many people?
2, 3.
2 people. If they're big like you, right?
Well, yeah, you gotta eat a lot of vegetables.
Yeah, I know. Alright, and the potato is chopped up, ready to go in the frying pan here, and we'll do that about 10 minutes prior to the pork being done. That way we get the pork done at the same time as the potatoes are done, and we can sit down and eat. Alright, and the pork is simmering really good, and it should be done here in about 20 minutes. It smells good, guys. The pork is almost done, and it's time to fry the potatoes. These potatoes are pretty much almost cooked. They are, I would say, 95%. Take them off, and then we cool them down, and then we put just a tad of salt on it. Not much at all, and a little bit of black pepper. Go, black pepper. Go, and then my favorite, which is yeah, I have. That was a brand new one, and this one is open. So what we do, humidity here is. This is just paprika, or Spanish pepper as they call it here. So no Spanish pepper gives a little color to it. But it also gives it a little flavor, so. Our handle just broke on the frying pan, so we gotta try to go and get a new one here. Nothing wrong with the pan, but the handle. So. There we go. this is one of my favorite things. You know, I know Filipinos eat a lot of rice. I grew up with potatoes. In our house, I barely ever remember eating rice. Maybe once a month. It was a very rare dish in a Swedish home. There's a little bit of color to it. Now we're just going to warm it up a little bit more. And then we should be done and ready to eat.
Ready to eat.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is now all ready. Let's see here how the tenderness is. Oh yeah, I just cut the pork. Right, so that's nice and tender. All right, so it's done, guys. Now it's just a matter of getting these potatoes down. That's it. Alright guys, time to eat. And here is the meal. Fried potatoes. First we boil them a little bit and then we fry them towards the end. Some nice pork and some vegetables.